Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and in my previous video, yesterday's video, I clearly warned you that you must be very careful after the or during the NFP report, because market gets very volatile, and NFP report is a market driven or market driving event, and as a result, okay, you can see that there was heavy selling pressure on the chart of Euro USD. Because NFP report came out to be very good, it was better than the forecast. As a result, US dollar saw heavy bullishness. And as we all know, and as I have already discussed in my many videos, that if you see good buying pressure on the chart of DXY US dollar, then you can expect that GBP USD or Euro USD will be going down. And when dollar started going up, we saw heavy selling pressure on the gold USD chart, Euro USD chart, Pound USD chart, and so on. So right now you can see that this is the present setup of the market right now. Overall, I'll say that unlike the other pairs, the basic structure of the Euro USD chart is still intact. Yes, there was some selling pressure, but this the setup is not destroyed yet. Okay, so let's try to understand let's try to understand these lines and all that I have got here. And so let's do the analysis first, then we'll be jumping to the strategy here. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us here. So if you'll get the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com, and under Forex 101 section you will find the Forex sentiment meter. So if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that 82% retail traders have taken long position, and 17%, only 17% retail traders have taken short position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, be very careful in this market. Okay, in this market, when Euro USD saw heavy sell off, retail traders were taking long position, and this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because they always stand against the trend of the market, whereas the thumb rule of the market says always follow the trend. So my dear friends, do not make the same mistake. Trade wisely, trade with proper analysis. Okay, so though 82% are still taking a long position, but still I'll say that trade wisely. Okay, so this is the chart of Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. So right now you can see that market is just standing at the support here. I'm considering this as a support because see, when market was coming down here, market was kind of forming a temporary support here. I'm not saying that this is a very strong support, rather this is a temporary support here, and right now market is standing at temporary support. Okay, that is a good thing. That is a good thing. It signifies that buyers are there also in the market. Buyers are also present in the market, and they are trying their best to provide support to the market. Try to understand the market psychology here. So let the market open on Monday and just see how the price is doing or how the price is reacting. If you see price bouncing from here, a price going up, then you can initiate a small position. For me, this is not the best position, okay, but still I'm just discussing the strategy here, or what should be a strategy. So if market bounces from this particular level only on Monday, then you can initiate a small position, because this is also a temporary support for the market. Though this is not the strongest support, but still it is a temporary support. Buyers are present here. So in case market tries to recover from here, you can take a small position here. On the other hand, if market fails to hold this present support 1756 level, and if you see selling, or if you see market going down, then do not go for buy, do not go for sell, just observe the market and let the price come and hit this level 1712 level. 1.1712 level. And my dear friends, I'll request you, if you do not have these lines in your charting platform, trading platform, then please draw these lines so that you can understand the market better, so that you can also do proper analysis. So if market bounces from here, you can initiate a small position because right now market is just standing at temporary support. Clear? Secondly, if market crosses this level, don't do anything. Wait for the market to come down and hit the 1.1712 level. When market will be hitting this level, just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see after some time price bouncing from here, or price reversing or trying to take support at this level 1.1712 level, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, this level is a good one, and you'll get a confirmation in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, or green candles like this. Then you can go for a buy at this level. This level is important because this level belongs to the weekly chart. I have already shown in my earlier videos that this level is extremely important for the Euro USD chart. See, previously also when market saw heavy selling pressure, this was the level 1.1712 was the level that provided support to the market. Therefore, we can still hope that if market comes down and reaches this level, then market will bounce. And if market really bounces, go for a buy. Clear? On the other hand, if market, oh, where are the lines? wait, sorry. Lines are gone. They are back. And if market bounces from here, then if you miss to take a buy position here, then your next position will be shorting the market here. Okay, so firstly, if market bounces from here, you'll be buying here with a small position because this is a temporary support. If market fails and crosses this level, then your second buy level is this 1.1712 level. Clear? On the other hand, let's assume you missed these opportunities and market immediately bounces and goes up from here. Then your trading opportunity will be this. Short the market at this trend line because this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market for quite some time. If I zoom out the chart here, then you can see that this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market for quite some time. Whenever market was trying to go up, or whenever market is still trying to go up, this trend line is still acting as a resistance and not allowing the market to go up. So therefore, this is a clear-cut indication that yes, this trend line is a resistance, and in case you fail to take buy position here and market immediately bounces, then wait for the market to hit this level. Once market reaches this level, then observe the price, just see how the price is doing. If you see price struggling again near the resistance, if you see market forming red candles like this, or market forms a shooting star pattern like this, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, sellers are still present in the market, and then you can easily short the market at the resistance. So these are the three trading opportunities for you on the chart of Euro USD. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Clear? So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again. Bye bye.